Hi, Yoshan, the super intelligent toddler, is learning about birds. So here are the two activities which we did related to birds. Do check out the video. Where will it go? Put. Put wherever you feel. Put it. Okay, next.
Big bird.
Big bird goes to big nest. Small bird goes to small nest. Okay. Now tell me, which one will go to which nest? Big bird. Where will it go?
No.
Okay. What about the other birds? Come forward. Where will this bird go to?
No.
Okay. Put it. It's a medium bird going to medium nest. Okay. And what about this last one? Small bird?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it. Put it again. Okay. And where will the small bird go?
No.
On the small nest. Okay. And this one?
Yeah.
Put it. Okay. Start, Ishan. Okay, next. Okay, next. Very good. Marvelous. Next.
Okay, down.
No, it's perfect. On next. Okay, that's correct. Next. Okay. Why last one? There are so many. See the color. First, see the color. Which color? Okay. Okay. Next. Very nice. Hey, stay tuned for more videos on birds activities. And if you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.